Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Rivals of Aether 2, and I'm going to show you guys in this video that how actually I got a copy of the game for free. So if you want to learn how to do this on your own, then watch the video until the end, guys. You're going to be able to understand all the steps you need to know in order to do it by yourself. So basically guys, all you need to do, you need to grab your smartphone in your hand. It doesn't matter if it is iOS or it's Android. I'm just showing here in my screen record with my iPhone, but if you have Android device, it's totally fine. So basically guys, we're going to get a game code which you can redeem after the copy of the game for free. So me, I got it by SMS. Mine I'm going to share with you right now, and if you're going to take it to you by text, it's going to look like this, and it says congratulations, the task is being completed successfully. This is the game code. It's one-time use. It's your Rivals of Aether 2 game code from Coupon Finder. So you just need to go to this site, guys, and once you're going to enter inside, there are a lot of other things you can check later if you're interested. I'm just going to type in searching bar not to make the video too long, and here it is. And then it's going to take you to the next page, and down below you're going to press this show coupon code and then unlock the code. So basically you just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys, so the whole circle to get completed until the end. And once it's going to be done, it's going to redirect you to another page when it is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it, guys. You just need to read the instructions. Anyway, you can just follow me. I can explain it also. So you're gonna come to this page, and here on the top there is description. It says download the complete 2 apps below in order to unlock Rivals of Aether game code. And down below it says after completing the task, enter your phone number, email above to receive the code. And you have a note: do not use VPN or proxy because the process will fail. As you saw it, me, I got it by text because I put my phone number. If you only can get it by email, this is on your own choice. But before you do that, you just need to scroll it down to this list of apps, which you need to choose 2 of these 2 apps, guys, in order to complete. And you have to keep in mind to read the instructions because different apps have different instructions. Make sure you choose 2 easiest ones so you don't lose too much time. And how you need to do it, I'm going to explain to you right now. For example, me, I did Flip. So you just need to press on it, and it's going to redirect you to App Store or Play Store because all the apps are officially from App Store and Play Store, okay? So to me, it chose open as you saw it because I did it before. And this app, it was very simple just to download it, to install it. It took like 1 minute. And then I came back, I did the second one, which is High Five Casino. So here it is, High Five Casino. Also the same steps, unlock. Now it takes me again to App Store because I'm using iPhone. It says open because I did it. So I just need to download it and to open the app. Again, it took me like 1 minute. So basically, guys, in 4 or 5 minutes, I was done. And then I just came back again to the page. I just put my phone number here and I submitted. A couple of minutes after they verified I did everything correctly, they just sent me the text with the code as that I showed you in the beginning of this tutorial. So basically, guys, in short words, this is it, the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the game. Cheers.